Did you know that your body is not designed to fall apart and age poorly? Your body has an inner wisdom and its own ability to repair. Did you also know that the same system in charge of defenses is also repair? And yes, that's what we call it, defense and repair. And we are talking about your immune system. In order to avoid getting your immune system like activated and causing inflammation, we just need to eliminate what your body doesn't need because your immune system cannot do both at the same time. It's either defense or repair. So, in order to keep your immune system balanced, the six elements that we need to remove are: number one, allergens like food, mold, dust, pollen, chemicals. Number two is toxins like heavy metals, synthetic toxins. Number three is microbes like bacteria, viruses, yeast, parasites. Number five is stress, that can be physical or psychological. And number six is poor diet, for example, high in sugar or refined carbs or trans fats, right? So, restoring your body function takes time, and we accomplish that by taking into account the uniqueness and complexity that makes you human. These are the elements your body needs in order to thrive. And this is what we use as interventions and treatments with the functional approach. So, those are organic multicolor foods, vitamins and minerals, light, water, air, and sleep, movement and rhythm, meaning and purpose, and love and connection. That is why we call it lifestyle medicine. I'm Lief Sosa. If you like this content, share it and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.